Hello and welcome to another episode of Cabin Chronicles, where we chat in the cabin of Bajaj leaders to take a sneak peek into their lives. I'm your host Zebulina Banerjee, and today we have Mr. Amit Middha with us. He is the head of non-motor claims and has been with Bajaj for over 18 years. Thank you, sir, for coming
Thank
to
you.
our show. So let's start from the very beginning. You have your educational background in engineering, and then you moved to insurance. So what's the story behind that?
Yeah, so actually, I did my BTech in Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering
Okay.
in 2002. So, as such, there was no plan to join insurance industry. I was bit knowing about insurance as my uncle was senior divisional manager in one of the public sector insurance company, and my cousin brother was an independent insurance surveyor. So in 2002, I am able to recall that there was a slowdown, and software and associated industry was, moving towards slowing down. So that's why I could not get selected during campus placement. I was doing my lectureship in an engineering college. So वो कहते हैं ना कि डेस्टिनी में जहाँ लिखा होता है तो वहाँ इंसान अपने आप पहुँच ही जाता है.
True.
So during my lectureship, I got one call from one of the placement consultants that one good surveyor company is looking for a fresh engineer. So I appeared for interview and got selected. So can you imagine that prior to that, they used to take only experienced persons, and I was the first trainee surveyor there.
Wow.
So in 2002, I entered in insurance field, and after that, I never looked back. And then after joining that surveyor company, I cleared all insurance exams like licentiate, associate, fellowship, which is the highest level exam in India. Then I secured surveyor license also and cleared associated exams related to surveyor. Then I completed my PGDIM. So that was my journey, how I entered into insurance field.
So, how did you come to Bajaj and why non motor segment? What is the most, I would say, satisfying part of working in a non motor segment?
So I feel satisfied when our customers get satisfied. So that whenever there is any loss to customers' property, like in case of fire in any home or any factory or office got affected due to any flood incident or due to any theft, customers, assets are stolen. So at the time of distress, they intimate their claims to us. So when we pay claims as fast as possible and bring them out of that distress situation, and when they feel satisfied, then I feel satisfied.
That's completely true. And considering that you deal with commercial claims day in and day out, like you mentioned that you feel very satisfied when you see happiness in
Yes.
People who got their claims settled. So, is there any memorable claim that left a lasting impression in your mind?
So I have been in insurance industry for last 22 years, and hence I have handled and paid lakhs of claims also. It is very difficult to pinpoint a particular claim, but yes, if I remember, so I always recall Srinagar flood event, which happened in 2014. So at that time, we had processed more than 30,000 commercial claims
Wow.
and had paid around 1,000 crores amount to our customers. So that was a situation when me and my team had worked round the clock, day and night, without even having lunch, don't even drinking tea or even water. And एक जुनून था एक कि कस्टमर्स का सेटलमेंट क्लेम सेटलमेंट एज फास्ट एज पॉसिबल वो करना है. So, even after getting the claim payment, customers used to come our office far from far villages and towns just to say shukriya. So I never forget. It's a lifetime memory for me, and I never forget such a situation. And the same thing, the kind of hard work we had done in that Srinagar flood event, same thing we replicate every year whenever any netcare situation we face nowadays also.
Yeah, so a lot of emotions,
Yes.
are involved when it comes to claim settlement, especially in cases like these. And so, with the recent advancement of technology, like I'm sure that the technology that was present in 2014, it has come a long way. We have come a long way. And
Correct.
how do you see it impacting the claims process?
Okay. So previously we used to get claim intimations through emails or phone calls, but for past few years we have developed all digital capabilities. Like now we can get intimations through chatbot, voice bot. We have given specialized claim portals to our specific clients. Then web-based claim registration can be done. Claim registration can be done through our app also. So similarly, all documentation can be uploaded through same digital capabilities available with us. Now there is no need to send documentation through courier or over emails. So such kind of advancements we have already done. And for claims processing also, we have already developed and executed robotic process assessment for certain kind of claims. And we have also used drone technologies specific for netcat events where the lost sites were not accessible by surveyors. And with the help of drone, we could expedite assessments, we could expedite paying on-account payments to our customers. So such kind of developments we have already done. And in future, we all will see, more and more usage of AI, Gen AI
I see.
in commercial claims as well as in overall insurance industry.
So you already answered my next question. My next question was, what kind of advancements do we, expect to see in the foreseeable future? And like you said, AI is gonna have a
Correct.
big impact
Yes.
in the insurance sector, especially. So speaking of technological advancements, Bajic recently launched an MSME portal, which is essentially a one-stop solution for micro, small, medium enterprises.
Yes.
So how did that come to be, and what was your involvement in it?
So it is in line with the vision of our MD and CEO, Dr. Tapan Singhal. And he has already talked about it. In India, we have more than 6.3 crores of MSMEs. And all MSMEs contribute around one third of India's overall GDP. And they contribute 50% of overall exports, which is done from our country in a year. So you can imagine so much, large segmentation is there, but the issue is that only less than 5% population of MSMEs are insured. It means 95% MSMEs are not insured. So we have developed this dedicated MSME web portal to provide financial security to all our MSMEs through insurance. So in this web portal, our CTO, Mr. Amarnath Saxena, also played a role. He was, kept on motivating us to develop this portal and kept on asking that when you will be launching this portal. In this web portal, customer can take policy within 3 minutes without any human intervention.
Wow.
So this is a big achievement for all of us, and customers can take policy like Bharat Sukshma policy to cover all risks like fire, flood, earthquake. Such kind of risks are covered under this Bharat Sukshma policy. Then shopkeepers policy can be taken. Then marine transit policies can be taken, be it related to inland transit, export, import, all modes of transits. So what I'm trying to mention here that customer can take policy without any human intervention and within 3 minutes.
Yeah.
And
That's
there are,
massive.
yeah, correct. So there are other products also which we are covering in this web portal. And for all those products, customer can, request through our portal, and our dedicated call center is there. They will call back and will facilitate our, customers in taking policies. And apart from that, I would also like to share that as far as claim settlement is concerned, so customer can register claim again through online mode, and we are here to settle all their claims as per policy terms and conditions as fast as possible. And this we have already done. So during the last financial year in 2024-25, our claim settlement ratio for commercial claims has been 99%.
Wow.
So, which is the highest ever in Bajaj industry.
Yeah. That's great. I mean, congratulations
Thank you.
both for,
Thank you
the
very
claim
much.
settlement as well as for the launch of the MSME portal.
Thank
I
you.
mean, keep doing the good work that you are doing.
Thank you.
So now coming to the more personal side of you. So after working and after launching websites and doing so much, what do you do at the end of the day to, unwind?
Okay. So, I love listening 90s music.
Ah,
So, because it reminds me my college time.
oh,
So, I feel that all of us, during our college days, enjoys a lot, learn new things, dreams about future. So, actually, this music helps me in refreshing myself. I feel that it feels, new kind of energy in me. So, and it motivates me to do better than yesterday.
true. So who's your favorite artist?
So many artists, Arijit Singh, Sonu Nigam, so many artists. Yeah.
Do you have any specific recommendation for our viewers?
Recommendation. See, there are many songs like I like that Salman Khan's 90s music, Sanjay Dutt's 90s music, and then asked me to mention the name of artists. Then Udit Narayan,
Of
Kumar
course.
Sanu, Alka Yagnik.
Yes.
All those are my favorite
Absolutely,
artists.
absolutely. Thank you so much. And so, coming to our second last question, if you are grateful to somebody in your life, who is that and why?
So I would like to take name of my wife, Renu Middha, who has been very supportive in all kind of situations. So be it related to extended working hours during quarterly closings or year ends, and especially during netcat events when we people used to stay out of our home for quite some time. So she takes care of my kids, their education, and all household activities. So it actually helps me to concentrate more towards my work and career. So that's why. So I am grateful to her.
Yeah, oh, that's so sweet. I mean, she helps in fulfilling your life
Yes,
essentially,
correct,
and
correct.
and it's really nice. As a woman myself, it's really nice to see men who are appreciative of their wives, and it's great that you do. So coming to our final question, what do you think makes the Bajaj culture unique?
So that is very interesting question. So Bajaj gives all of us freedom to take decisions. It gives us freedom to innovate, to experiment new things which may become big in future. And we all feel like a family culture within our organization. So we may be, subordinates, juniors, seniors, bosses among ourselves in our, day-to-day work, but ultimately we all feel like a family. So this is unique about our organization.
Oh, that's so nice to hear. Thank you so much for coming to our show. It was so nice talking to you. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for another episode of Cabin Chronicles where careers and curiosity collide. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you very much.